Okay, now we're going to be working with geometric sequences. So determine if it's a geometric sequence, then find the common ratio and the eighth term using the explicit formula. So we're first going to do the definition of terms. So again, a sub 1 means the first term of the sequence. A sub n is the term you're looking for. So in this case, we'll do a sub 8. N is the number of terms. In this first number that we have is 4, but when we're looking for a sub 8, the n will equal 8. And then the rate r is the common ratio. And that's when you do repeated division. So let's look at this one. Let's do 1 divide negative 2, and then 6 divide 1, 13 divide 6. Well, you can tell this is all over the place. That quotient is negative 1/2. So right there, the second one, because we see that 6 divide 1 is 6, 1 divide negative 2 is negative 1/2. This is not a geometric sequence. It's a sequence. I mean, clearly the numbers are in a specific sequence. It's just not geometric. Ooh, this looks more promising. So negative 12 divide 2 is negative 6. 72 divide negative 12. There we go. Negative 6. Negative 432 divide 72. I don't know that off the top of my head. So negative 432 divide 72. So in this case, the common ratio is negative 6. All right. So this is a geometric sequence. So it has a different explicit formula than the arithmetic. And I'm going to move this up a little bit. Okay, so it says you take the first term, or no, this tells us the term we're looking for, and then this is the first term, this is the common ratio, and then it's the number of terms, so it's this n subtract 1. So let's just see if we can determine if the fourth term is negative 432. So we're going to do a sub 4 is equal to a sub 1, which is 2. The common ratio we already decided is negative 6. And then this 4 subtract 1 would be so that we would raise that to the third power. All right? So the fourth term is 2 times, well, negative 6 to the third power is negative 216, and 2 times negative 216 is negative 432. Oh, look it. That's the fourth term. So that's great. So now we need to find the eighth term. So I'm going to use this. Remember I tell you guys, use a model. So now I'm going to say a sub 8. And we already know the first term is 2 and the common ratio is 6. So the first term is 2, common ratio is 6, but now up here it's 8 subtract 1, which is 7. Definitely typing this into the calculator. So this is what we're going to type. 2 parentheses, negative 6 parentheses, that caret button, parentheses, negative, not negative 7, 7 parentheses, enter. So I'll take a moment and do that right now. 2 parentheses -6 parentheses caret 7, enter. Oh man. So I did not draw that very sub-like. So the 8th term in that sequence will be this. -559